Fire! It's so soft and tender. So soft. This is the lamb. Let's try the lamb. I love lamb. I think we can turn it down now, right? Because it's cold, huh?
What's off on?
That's how I like my yahan. I like it like this. I've never put the vinegar like you said.
That's how I always make it.
You want to add it in there?
Fine.
You want this?
Yeah. Some broth.
What store did we go to and we seen the big container of the barbecue sauce? Was it in Seattle?
Yeah.
Oh, I need to get that.
Yeah, no, don't get it. It's not good unless you're using it all the time because it starts getting hard.
It's okay.
Yeah, but when you take the stuff out of it, nah.
I was gonna take it out and put it in a mason jar.
Yeah, you could do that. Yeah, you could do that too.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta put it in the fridge though.
I do.
Yeah, once you open it, it's like you keep it all in the fridge.
Okay, that Wagyu tastes way better than the
Lamb?
than the lamb, but I like it both.
Okay, Michelle, I just put it all together and made it.
The Wagyu is so soft.
Mm-hmm. I'm going home. And I'm like, what? You going home? I'm like, yeah. Why not? There's nothing to do. So I'm going home. Then I'm going to go pump gas, go buy my box of chips for my friend, and then go to my sister's house, have to eat. Fast.
Did you get the detergent?